Good morning, and my name is Todd Blanton. I'm the general manager with the Glades Golf and Country Club. I've been with the club now for a little bit over 5 years. And I met Dave Ragan when I came on board with the club. We were just starting the renovation of our Pines golf course, and he had been engaged to create the mapping of the GPS locations for all of our new irrigation system going into the new Pines golf course. And he felt it was a great idea to have him go ahead and extend those efforts to the residential areas of the community. We have about a 300-acre property, lots of buildings, about 216 buildings out there, and all the infrastructure. It's an older community, so 50-year-old community, no as-builts available. So it was critical for us to be able to identify all the various items of infrastructure, both above ground and underground, for use in planning projects, vendors, and just general day-to-day use. Okay, so we use the map pretty almost daily. As you can see, it's a large property, 200 plus buildings, 12 different sections, 300 acres almost. It allows us to identify specific areas, buildings by number, as well as infrastructure. We've got all the irrigation identified, so if we have issues with that, we can readily go to the map and reference it. We can use it for our vendors that are coming in and easily reference them if we're doing some construction, renovation, maintenance, any type of work like that. It was particularly invaluable for us after Hurricane Irma, because we were easily able to identify certain areas where we had to rebuild irrigation that had been torn up when the trees went down. We lost over 500 trees, so in the process of those going down, they were ripping up irrigation lines everywhere else. It's fairly obvious how it's useful it is as far as the golf course goes, with the GPS locators for all the irrigation heads and valves and so on and so forth. But in addition to that, we also are able to identify various items such as the fire hydrants, FPL transformers, city water valves, LP tanks, telephone boxes, and all that sort of thing. So it's really an invaluable tool, especially as we bring in a new vendor and we're looking at construction projects or maintenance projects on an ongoing basis.